underestimate the importance of sleep in a regular lifestyle. Even in our old Indian scriptures, there is a time that you're supposed to wake up before sunrise.
This is for you. Could you share some of your healthy, what you follow as a healthy lifestyle, or some tips that you could share with us?
I think it's very important to balance the mind as well as the body. So I do yoga and I meditate. I know it sounds very old-fashioned, but it helps. It's like...
It doesn't at all, Twinkle. I think everybody meditates today, okay. From New York to Mumbai.
Yeah, but it just sounds a bit, odd. But it helps. It's like you open your cupboard, you repack your clothes and put them back in. It makes you look forward to the day. And also I think I try to eat organic as much as possible. I walk. I'm not really one of those people who can spend a lot of time in the gym. I find it incredibly boring. The other thing I do, which is pretty healthy, is I devour books, because you need to feed your mind as well. And I think it's very important, and I learned this from my mother, it's to treat your burdens lightly. You treat them like they are helium-filled balloons, and you just feel them lift off. And I think that is pretty much the healthiest tip to learn how to let go and go on.
I think it's like you're speaking our healthy alternatives philosophy. Eat what you are, what you want to be. Your emotional state of mind and how you live is really about what choices you make. And thank you. I think that really captures our philosophy.
Hello, Twinkle. Rahman from ANI. Recently your fan tweet on your Twitter that आप शादी के बाद अपना सरनेम नहीं चेंज किए, कहीं भी आप अपना नाम लिखते हैं तो ट्विंकल खन्ना ही लिखते हैं, ट्विंकल कुमार नहीं, क्यों?
Like he has a hashtag, I put out a hashtag, right? It's married, not branded. It's not like a big company took over me and, now I have to change my logo. Yeah.
आपकी फैमिली में रोज़ सुबह 4 बजे उठने और शाम को 8 बजे सोने की परंपरा है, अक्षय ने बताया था एक बार. इसका कितना रोल होता है हेल्दी लाइफ में?
So I think it's extremely important. I think people underestimate the importance of sleep in a regular lifestyle. Even in our old Indian scriptures, there is a time that you're supposed to wake up before sunrise. The earth itself and the way it's made, we have to follow the natural rhythms, which we don't right now because we have electricity, so you can stay up at night and do all sorts of things, but your body's rhythm is not aligned to that. So I think it definitely helps to sleep early and wake up early.
Well guys, the news has just come in. We are trending number 3 in India. Big round of applause for healthy alternatives. Trending number 3, thanks to the 3 ladies. Thank you so much.
Do you shop at Nature's Basket? And if yes, how often do you go there?
So actually I carried my bills for September and I have a whole wad. Here, one second.
There are 2 envelopes that she's carried for us.
I carried this, so these are my September bills. The proof is in the low-fat pudding, which I'm going to kindly give Tanya and ask for a discount. Why not? Every opportunity.
We are so grateful for your business. Thank you so much for your loyalty. Thank you so much.